wondered why certain copies just seem to, well, speak to you. So they resonate with your needs, understand your problems, and somehow appear to offer, the perfect solution. That's no accident. It's the result of our strategic copywriting. And one of the most powerful strategies that seasoned copywriters use is called the pastor framework. So don't get me wrong, we're not getting into theology or religion here. In copywriting, pastor is an acronym that represents a proven strategy to guide your audience effectively. It stands for problem, amplify, solution, transformation, offer, and response. And so why is it called pastor? Well, just like a shepherd guiding his flock, this framework guides your audience, taking them from understanding their problem to providing a solution, and ultimately prompting them to respond or take action. The key to the pastor framework is empathy and understanding. It's about genuinely knowing your audience problems and leading them towards a solution and that benefits them. So let's start with the first part of the acronym, the problem. So this is where we need to identify and describe the problem our product or service solves. So by describing this accurately, we establish a connection with our audience, so they feel understood and trust that we have a solution. Next, we amplify. So we highlight the consequences of not solving the problem. So this step motivates our audience, urging them to take action. And remember, it's not only about the positive outcomes of using the product, but also about the repercussions of not achieving those outcomes. And the third part of the acronym is the solution. So now that we've set the stage with a compelling problem and amplified its consequences, it's time to introduce our solution. This is where our product or service steps in to save the day. So next up is the transformation. So it's important to remember that people don't just buy products, they buy the better version of themselves. So talk about the transformation your product or service brings about. Show them how their lives will improve once their problem is solved. And now we're at the offer. And this is where you detail exactly what you're selling. But remember, focus on the benefits and transformation your product or service will bring, not just its features. And finally, we ask for a response. This is your call to action. Be clear and direct about what you want your audience to do next, whether it's purchasing a product, signing up for a newsletter, or contacting you for more information. So, and there you have it. This is the pastor framework. So simple yet powerful tool in the world of copywriting. This framework is your guide, your shepherd, leading your audience from a state of understanding the problem to taking action to solve it. So it's about empathy, understanding, and guiding your audience towards a solution that benefits them. So let's take an imaginary product, a hydrating face cream called, let's say, Hydra Glow. So we've got a simple product description. Hydra Glow is a deeply hydrating face cream that nourishes your skin. It's packed with natural ingredients like aloe vera and vitamin E. Hydra Glow helps to restore your skin's natural moisture balance, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing, suitable for all skin types. It sounds fine. However, if we want to make it a bit more compelling, we can apply our pastor framework. So just to visualize and just to see how actually this changes the copy. Let's have a look. You can say, are you tired of dry, dull skin that lacks radiance? So this is your problem. Then everyday environmental stressors strip your skin of its natural moisture, leaving it feeling tight and looking lackluster. So you amplify the problem. Then let's say Hydra Glow is more than just a face cream. It's a deeply hydrating solution that nourishes your skin from within. So this is our solution. Then we can say, imagine waking up to soft, supple skin that glows with health every day. I know it sounds corny, but as an example, this is your transformation. And then we move to the offer. Let's say when you choose Hydra Glow, you're choosing a cream packed with natural ingredients like aloe vera, jojoba oil, vitamin E. It's designed to restore your skin's natural moisture balance, leaving it radiant and glowing. Plus, it's suitable for all skin types. We've got the offer. But then we still need a response. So you don't just finish the copy. Let's go to this call to action. So let's say, don't let dryness dull your glow. Choose Hydra Glow today and take the first steps towards radiant, healthy skin. So this is just to show how you can change a small, simple product description, and you can still apply, the pastor framework to make it better, to make it more, to resonate with your client. So remember, exceptional copywriting isn't just about selling products. It's about guiding people towards better versions of themselves. So, and the pastor framework is your key to doing just that.